So we've had a delivery. Let's see what's inside. Oh, I think we're upside down. We turn it up the right way. It's a new Triyit Box. Let's see what's inside. New favourites await. So, snap, share, win. Information about the products. I have no idea what's in here, so we will see. Ensure nutrition supplement. Okie dokie. Bit random. Juicy drop mallows, sweet and sour fizzy marshmallows, raspberry flavour. Okay. Oh, we've got a cocktail. Pina Colada by Copper. That looks pretty decent. And I think that's all she wrote. That's everything. Well, thank you very much, Triyit. We shall certainly try them and snap and see how they taste. So we have the Ensure Nutri-Vigor. We'll open it up and see how it tastes. I've given it a good shake. I've opened it, so let's try it. More watery than I was expecting. Quite sweet. It's not too bad. I think if you were doing a workout, maybe this is a thing to look for and try. Good evening. I have 2 more products I need to try as part of the latest Try It campaign. First one being this Copper Cocktails Pina Colada flavour. I've already poured it into my lovely martini glass. So let's see how we taste. Cheers. That is creamy. That tastes like a pina colada. Texture's great. Oh, that's good, that. Definitely buying that. Copper Cocktails, just add ice. And the final product to try are these Juicy Drop Mallows. They are raspberry flavour. So let's get in and see how they taste. Okay, so they smell sour and also sweet. They're nice and soft and they've got that sugar type coating on them. So let's try. Wow. Okay, so the sugar coating on the outside, it gives the sour raspberry flavour, and then it's sweeter on the inside, which is more of the mallow. So they're pretty good then. Give them a try.